Hey guys, this is Kamleshwar Gaman. Welcome to my channel. Many people have been asking me about Mechatronics at IIT Bhilai, so I'm finally making this video. So make sure to subscribe for more such content, and if you're joining IIT Bhilai, make sure that you have subscribed because I'm planning a lot of things for you guys. So today we have Anand Bhaiya, who has just transitioned into his fourth year, and he's from Mechatronics at IIT Bhilai. So, Anand Bhaiya, you can introduce yourself.
Yeah. Hello, Kamlesh. Hello, everyone. I'm Anand from BTech Mechatronics, currently in my fourth year, as he told you. So, I'm mostly interested in the streamlined domain of underwater robotics, among robotics. And for those who wanted to ask about mechatronics only consisting of control systems and all, it consists of various things in the domains of computer science, intersections of electrical and mechanical systems as well. So why I chose mechatronics? If that's your first question, Kamlesh, then I would like to answer that mechatronics was not my first choice. It was my second choice. My first choice was actually electronics and communication, but my core interest was robotics only. So when I came across this new mechatronics branch in IIT Bhilai, I just studied the history of this branch, like how it came to be in BTech. Initially, it was used to be only in the MTech of engineering domain. So this mechatronics, as the industry is progressing, this mechatronics has also come to be in BTech as well because various industries are diverging and converging to form new disciplines. So mechatronics is currently a department at IIT Bhilai, and we have our labs, which is growing with time, and we also have new faculties joined up, which has brought a good sort of enthusiasm among the students. And thus we have got like three batches of mechatronics students, and this time there would be the fourth batch.
Yeah. So, as he said, mechatronics as a branch is developing, and it's actually really good because even I'm in mechatronics. So, yeah, we have top seven questions, and one of them is answered because that's obviously the most asked question about why he chose mechatronics at IIT Bhilai. Coming to the second question, what actually did you study in mechatronics? Like, is it more mechanical, electrical, or is it more of the coding part?
Yeah, so what I studied in mechatronics is a very varied set of like domains. Like I studied some core subjects of mechanical systems like solid mechanics and mechanisms, and also these are very important subjects as well in the field of robotics and and control, because you need to know the kinematics to understand the movement of robots. And as well, I had to study from electrical circuits and systems and control systems mostly, because we have to control the movement of various robotic systems and intelligent systems. We have to integrate control algorithms. And apart from these things, we have also learned certain courses of core mechatronics systems. We also had a few labs of mechatronic systems in which we made mechanisms as well as some mobile robots or some robotic systems based on IoT. So that was the curriculum. Apart from these subjects and courses, we also had a design project the past semester in which we had made various projects. Like I, along with one of my friends, Dhananjay, made the legged robot. And there were various types of projects. Like you can expect projects from analyzing the electricity distribution of the college to any drone system or any mobile robots. So that is quite a varied domain. That's why there are a variety of projects in this.
Okay. So the third most asked question is, how hands-on is the course? Like, do you work with robots or projects?
Yeah, like I said, we have been working with robots. What our labs are doing, we have been proposing for various robotic systems like the robotic arm, and labs have been listening to its students, because a new gen IIT has a higher chance and higher opportunity for students, and whatever they demand, that can be fulfilled because that college needs to grow and that branch needs to grow. That's why That's one of the plus points of joining this college in mechatronics, and that how that makes it hands-on, because the robotic arms and systems like drones that we are ordering, uh, students can tinker upon that and disassemble and reassemble them. And our faculty and HOD also forces that we should be building things from scratch. So that's a good thing of our mechatronics department. So you can get everything from sensors to built up stuff like robotic arms.
Yeah. So the fourth question: what's your coolest project you have done so far?
So So my coolest project, I wouldn't say it is my coolest project. It was my senior's coolest project, Santosh Bhaiya, I would like to quote, because uh, among the various mobile robots that our college students were making, he decided to take up different types of robotics. That was a legged robot, four-legged robot that resembled a robot dog. That you must have heard that China built one GO2 and these things. So we are also we have worked on that robot dog. You can attach a picture of that robot dog if you wish. So I took that robot dog for 2 semesters for working on that along with my friends. So that I would say was the coolest project I worked on. But I am looking forward to work on even more cooler projects.
That's nice. So the most asked question: how are placements or internships for
Yes,
mechatronics students here?
yes. So this is the most awaited question actually. So I would say that my batch is the first batch that is going to graduate from IIT Bhilai for mechatronics department in B.Tech. But the last batches of M.Tech in mechatronics that have been placed, their placement was 100%. So I would say there is a good chance. But also, even apart from this statistic, I would say that mechatronics students have a higher chance of placement in various domains, because this is a convergence of various domains of DSAI, some software development as well, and mechanical and electrical embedded systems as well. So whatever companies look for, like newer companies are looking for students who know multiple, who can work with multiple teams. So mechatronics students are a better fit for these roles. That's why there would be a better chance.
That's some good news for me as well because I'm in mechatronics too. So uh, the sixth
Yeah,
question: is coding
yeah.
necessary before joining a branch like mechatronics?
I won't say that it is necessary, because coding is not something that you should be knowing from before college. It is not a necessity, but it is built over time. Like if you are working with problems, you can work on problems by working on coding side by side. And you coming to college is what you have to do coding on. Not coding is not the only thing that you will do in college, but
Hmm.
problem solving is the main thing. So mechatronics has since mechatronics has multiple fields and there are various applications. So we work on coding in MATLAB and other softwares. Like I would say robot operating system is what we use for coding robots, and there we use CPP. So I would say that coding is quite important, but it is not the only thing that would help you in robotics. You have to build some
Skills
problem
as well.
solving
Yes.
in it
So
as well.
the last question, actually not a question and a
Yeah.
piece of advice. What would you like to tell for the students watching this video and mechatronics aspirants who are planning to join Bhilai or even pursue mechatronics as their course?
So I would say that it is not the IIT tag that you should run after, because IIT that IIT tag would be remaining for how many years? It would be till about 4 to 5 or 10 years max to max after your graduation. But after that, it is you and your domain that you have chosen. So choose your domain wisely, whatever interests you, whatever you think that you can do better, and whatever you think that you can bring a change in. So it is not only about the IT tag or the specific branch that might be more um, peer peer pressure based.
So thank you so much, Bhaiya, for joining us today. And guys,
Yes.
I'm really grateful to Anand Bhaiya because right now it's 12:10 in the night and he has, made time for this video in spite of his busy internship schedule. So thank you so
Yeah,
much, Bhaiya.
and no,
And
it was
yeah,
fine.
good
I had
night.
fun.
So thank you guys for watching this video and make sure you subscribe and looking forward to meeting you all in the campus. Bye.